All right, y'all. So my stepson Harrison's gonna show y'all how to roast the perfect marshmallow. All right, Harrison, show him how to do it.
First, you grab a marshmallow, put it on a long stick.
Okay.
Or you can put it on the metal.
Okay.
Now, you put it close to the wood, but not too close. If you like really toasty things, you want it on fire.
Okay.
But if you're not that much toasty, then you want it golden. I'm more of a fire tasting thing.
I think you got it, buddy.
And you get chocolate.
There you go. Who you dressed up as?
Link.
There you have it, folks. The perfect marshmallow.